Onkyo. Always wanted to know what's inside of one of these. Let's check it out. As we got our steel, aluminum, sheet aluminum, some silver contacts, secondary wires, and we got the power supply. Low grade circuit boards worth about 20 cents a pound. Extension cord. Few items not even worth mentioning. Grand total scrap value $7.69. Get back up there. Yeah, I see something metal over here by the sidewalk. Some aluminum on there. Toss it back. A lot of homeless around here, man. They just tear up bikes, toss them on the side. Let's grab this water heater. Yeah, there's some cord there too. Yeah, I'll take that. That thing's heavy. According to AI, these water heaters last 8 to 12 years. Looks like they were pushing 14 on this one. Let's move the bike to a safe space. There we go. Now this water here will fit in this corner. There we go.
There's a stranger on the street, Alfred. Release the hounds.
It's what you call a well-fed, happy first alert system. Yeah, I'll take a yappity dog over a big dog any day. A big dog that doesn't bark. It's your first defense warning system. Yeah, this machine is not that big, but it's heavy. broke. Heavy duty cord from that last one, water heater. What in the world is this? Dude, that's old there. Vintage washer machine. Yeah, I think I'll set you next to your great-great-grandchild here. That's aluminum. No. Found one on eBay for like $175, but it's got the top. Another one on Facebook, somebody wanted 40. Mine's going to the scrapyard. It's definitely not aluminum. Yeah, that's kind of cool to see the technological advancements in wash machines all in one day. Refrigerator. I can get it in there. When the doors of opportunity open for you, rest assured, trouble is lurking just around the corner. Dude, what in the world? Perplexity over troubles, it is not in your vocabulary. Never give up, even if you're gonna throw up all over the place. You know what? lucky I got a flu virus. I don't smell a thing.
I'm going to show you how to safely strap this thing on so that we can take it to the graveyard where it belongs. We wrapped a rope around and tie a couple trucker's knots. That's right, a little lift. Hopefully it'll still be there when we get to the scrapyard.
Not too bad, guys. On to the next one. That's steel. Yeah, steel. There's still some good stuff in here. Feel good about this one. Copper.
Poor man's gold. That's a good sign, Scrap Daddy.
Take a small one. Rebar.
Rebar? We want the gold. Get the gold.
copper.
Oh yes, we're gonna be rich, my friends, rich. Scrap Daddy. Hobnobbing with the rich and famous. Guys, we're gonna live life high now. Aboard a 100-foot yacht, cruising the Mediterranean.
That's copper. Copper snippets. Ooh, a couple bags of hardware. It's all metal. Let's see. It's just gonna slide right out, isn't it?
Nice job, Scrap Daddy. That'll pay for about 1 second of our trip to the Mediterranean.
If I had room for that big chunk of steel.
But I'll take the smaller ones.
Let's put some gloves on. Heavy duty steel here. Rebar. Alright guys, cleaned that out pretty good. The rest of it's so buried. Well, that copper was a good score. Self-storage. Probably gonna toss more. I'll come back and check this one again later. They broke that thing, big one down, that big piece of steel. I would have taken it.
Down a rusty shed.
All good. Yeah, help the guy out.
We got a lot of steel this morning.
Not too bad, guys. Just probably 200 to 300 pounds worth of steel right there. 20, 25 bucks. Like 15 minutes. I don't know, man. A lot of people don't like picking up steel, but it's everywhere. Yeah, guys, we didn't do too bad. It's like 10:30 right now. We started around 8. Picked up this big massive refrigerator. There was a water heater and a washer, heavy stuff. Hit that dumpster, man, and hit the mother load of steel and copper. I'm gonna go weigh that out and see what we got. It's probably not a whole lot, but yeah. So there's some mixed aluminum in there. I'm gonna work on that and then head out to the scrapyard tomorrow and dump it off. We'll load it up. We'll stack this thing even higher. Hope you come along. Thanks for subscribing, guys. Appreciate the love there, and then we'll see you tomorrow on the next one.
Little bonus here, guys. I had to fill up my wife's car. Saw this fan. I'm gonna grab it. I know we can make it fit.
I'm gonna go right there.
We just about got everything but the kitchen sink here, guys.
There you go, guys. Had to go fill up the van and some gas. But you know, there was like a quarter tank of gas right there sitting on the side of the road. Cut a few cords off. This will go into the shredder. Add to the pile.
Yeah, there was nothing to complain about on this run. It was 264, guys. The copper for sure helped us out. It put us over the $200 mark.